We just got a snowstorm. That's my lovely car. It was freshly pulled out yesterday. No snow what to be seen, and now it's drifted in. We just got about a foot of snow. As you can see, it drifted quite well. It's up to my knee. And yes, I just moved my two-wheel drive forward because I noticed the tire was getting low. There's my dogs. There's Sophie. Right there, you can see her. I don't know if she's white, if you can see her. I can barely see her through the camera. There's Sophie. The old one's Bear. That annoying one is Moose. That's about to peel my tire. As you can see, I was just in two-wheel drive because I don't got 4x4 yet. And my tire's low. So I need to go put air in it. But yeah. This is my project truck, which looks like shit again. It's just getting worse. Today I got hit by a deer earlier this year. Quite lovely. Everything still works though. Yeah. Another nice dent in my chrome. I need to go fire up the air compressor. So